Hello guys, I'm back and today I will do a quick review of this beautiful Electrolux EKK54553OX stove or oven or both together. So more or less it actually has a gas stove and electrical oven. That's what I actually wanted to have. Since I like to bake in electric oven and I like to cook with the gas, and I have a gas connection, so easy for me. As you can see, it looks rather beautiful. It's with this stainless steel finish, silver or whatever you want to call it, and it has a glass top. You can open and close it. So let's dig in and go a little bit closer so we can see what actually it's made of and what you can get out of it. So as you can see, it comes with a glass lid. You can of course open it. It does not automatically break, so you have to always control it, but you can leave it like in this state and it will not drop, or in this state if you need. I don't know why you should do it, but more or less that's about it. I can tell you more about that. The nice thing about this stove grates and these cast iron grates, or just iron, I don't know, you can put aside separately. That's good thing. Easier to clean, not too much place. So it's easier to clean if you can put this in the sink separately, and also you can take down these ones and clean here as well, easier. This stove comes with 4 burners, as you can see. All works with gas, and you don't have to use matches or whatever. You can have to press down the button and this will start the fire automatically. You can see this also kids safe, so if any kids come here, this is I'm going to let any gas out. So what you have to do, you have to just put the level you want and press down the button and it will work together automatically. Also you have to press it a little bit longer so it thinks that you actually have done everything right. For example, if I go for the other side, I will just try to open this one and press it for less time. You can see it will just turn off and the gas won't come out. For kids' safety, I think, or also for your safety. As you can see, you can adjust the level of the gas rather nicely, even for very light cooking to the maximum, depends on what you want. And of course I don't smell any gas, that's great, so it burns clearly. And just put it to 0 and it will just turn off the gas. What else comes with this one? As you can see, this is about it. So here are 4 rings. Okay, I will just turn them all on. Never done this before, but so this is how it looks when all 4 rings are on. Rings of fire. So nothing special, just some nice heat. And of course that's about it. Let's close all of these down. And what's next? That's about it about the gas stove. When you buy this new, it also comes with this set. This is for in case if you want to use your gas stove with this gas balloon, not with central gas connection or whatever. So it has a less pressure, and also this has this adapter. You can use it for this hose, and you have to just replace these burner nozzles. These are a little bit smaller, this gas. And here's the instruction what you have to do, whatever, but more or less you also can use this with a balloon, not just with central connection, whatever else. So this is what you can also get with this one. Well, let's come back here. I'll just take the lid back down. I think this is safe and it's not that hot anymore. I just want to do one more thing. Okie dokie, not what I wanted. So here is from the behind, you can see it comes with their standard connection. Nothing special, just connect the gas and that's about it. Here is also some for the releasing some hot air, and as well here, these two holes. So when you set it up, there's one more thing what you might like is this plastic leveling tool beneath there. I'm not sure if you can see it well or not, but more or less you can adjust the height of this stove like 5 centimeters or something like that. So if you don't have a leveled floor, this might help you too. What next? Next is electrical oven. Rather nice stuff here. Also you have time here and timer, and if you set timer, actually sounds rather quietly but still sounds. It gives some sound out, and of course some space where you can store your things like pan. But this actually looks very cheap and very light, so I think this is the cheapest part for this oven. Overall does not look very expensive, this material and everything, so but works nice. Next is inside of the oven. I will just turn the light on so you can see how it looks inside. The light zone came with this grill and 2 plates. What I don't like about this is when you try to pull this out and in, it's hard to do it. I have a feeling always that it will scratch all inside, so it doesn't slide easily in. Maybe it's because new, but I don't like this. It's a metal grinding sound. And there is the inside of the light, as you can see, or no. Yeah, this is the light. This is the electrical insides for the heating and whatever else. There is this ventilator, and more or less that's about it about inside. So, and this is how the hinges looks. I would not say that this looks like a super quality ones, and I don't think you can sit here, and I don't think you can sit here. I think you will definitely damage your oven, but more or less nice. And as well, if you try to do this quickly and try to close this one, yeah, it doesn't. You see, here's like, I think there's some sort of brakes inside, so you can't actually smack down your doors of your oven. You see it breaks. That's good, especially for those who are rather fast when they are in kitchen. So let's go through somewhere here. I must say that I haven't used yet the oven so much, though, just a little bit, so I won't be able to show you how to cook something right now. Maybe I will later do some cooking video, but more or less all you need to know, as you can see, here's the light. It works nicely when it's on. So here are some functions. As you can see, this is for anti-freezing. I haven't checked out yet how this anti-freezing your frozen stuff. So if you have some frozen stuff, you can put this inside and this will make them soft. This is just ventilator with bottom heating, ventilator with top heating. This is ventilator with top heating. So these are 2 rather similar functions. Not know yet how they work overall. Just ventilator heating from both sides, and ventilator heating from bottom from both sides, and this is just light. So are there many functions, and as well here you can set the temperature. So if, in case you put some of these ones and you don't put temperature, you ain't gonna get anything. So you need to put some temperature here before you can actually start this function. And here you can put the timer. Let's put 1 minute. And you can see, I already put the timer for 1 minute, and this is how it works. So we want to see how much time left. Just press this down, and more or less when this is working, the light just turns on automatically, as you can see, and we'll see how it will just react when the time will be set down there. Just press down the button. 30 seconds. I'll just skip this one and we'll go just 3 seconds before the end. and then just you can come here, press this button or whatever else, it will just stop beeping, but it actually automatically turns off everything what you have set. And so the timer is rather nice stuff here too. And I don't know about the rest of these functions here, haven't studied yet. I just want to give you just a quick review how this looks. So guys, if I have to rate the stove, I would give it 4.5 spoons out of 5 spoons, because it's overall a very nice one, and as I have researched this one, it comes with everything what you need, and it's like top. It's high-end stove with whatever you can get for that price. It's the cheapest price with the most functions and the most reliable and nice looking one. Of course, some things might not be that highest quality, as I said before. This piece, this definitely is the cheapest one ever, but it's light, so if you don't want heavy ones, this one would be nice for you. Same as with these ones, how this slides in. But this actually is very economical. It keeps heat in, doesn't let it out easily. The above is rather nice, the glass top, and easy to work and safe to work with these ones. So overall 4.5 out of 5 spoons. That's very nice score for any stove. So if I would have to suggest you to go for it or not go for it, I would say go for it. It's rather nice one. It's not the cheapest one, but it's definitely worth. And thank you for watching, and I hope I could help you at least to give you some quick looks for these ones, how it looks in real life and what you can expect from it. I'm sure I forget something to say or show you, but more or less if you've got some questions, let me know in comments. I will try to answer you, and have a nice one.